NMN is a version of vitamin B3 that makes a chemical in the body that we need for life, and that's called NAD.
And NAD is sort of like almost the precursor to energy. Without NAD, we wouldn't survive. It's very important.
And as we get older, we make less and less of this. And without NAD, these sirtuins that we discovered, slow aging, remember the genes that we discovered? They don't work without a lot of NAD.
As we age, maybe this is what's happening. Maybe this is why we slow down.
If I don't take it, I start to feel 50 years old. It's horrible. I can't think straight.
NMN does raise the NAD levels of older people and young people alike up to levels that we think you could rarely achieve even with being a marathon runner.
There's now clinical trials that my colleagues at Harvard have done that says that NMN has some health benefits in early studies, such as lowering cholesterol and blood pressure.
With Decode Age, stay ageless.